Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2023 will show the young sounds how they should operate going forward. So tonight we have 4 different sound systems playing off to get one into the final round. Last week we had semi-final 1 and we selected one winner. It was an awesome show. Lyrical content was off the chain. I expect even better tonight. Also tonight though, we have Sasco performing for us and everybody is kind of looking forward to that.
We are ready for the first 10 minutes of our stage tonight. I will not say your mama, your woman, don't be no who be friend. Tell them already, we are going to tell them again. Talking about watch out.
You know, it was all about juggling around, shoot off some song. I don't feel like them more than wicked like we. Them no wicked like them wicked like we. No, them no wicked like we. So I fool around. So them bad from which part? So that's all I tell you thing go.
The first clash was great, you know.
World Blocks.
Juggling masters all the way.
We don't know why World Box take up himself and take up that challenge. We don't know what it is. What's this?
Feel like we win the second round in because them play back a Buju Banter and play from in a juggling round. So it's no way them can win that, but overall we win the round, yeah? You know, so we come with no expectation but just to learn from every musical play and every clash we do.
Tonight was a very vibes tonight to face a good competitor. DJ Tuggerfresh, she was the better man tonight.
For the first clash, I think that one of the sounds showed a lot of versatility. They did a little bit of this, a little bit of that, different genres, while the other sound kind of stuck in one lane for a little too long and didn't show that versatility that we were looking for. But nonetheless, was a good clash and the crowd response was very good. The second clash, well, it seems as if one of the sound systems forgot that he was coming to a clash and really more was interested into just dancing. But the other sound really showed that he came prepared, played some dub plates and got the crowd on his side. So all in all, nice dance, nice clash, and we certainly look forward to the final in a few.
For the first semi-final, we played Juggling Masters. I feel like we did fairly well. And I feel like, yeah man, we go through the next round because we play a better round than World Blocks. So we expect to see ourselves through the finals tonight for clash. Whoever win the clash going on now for the final July 7th.
This is the round that brings you into the finals. The first song on this. Oh yeah! This is what
The clash tonight, we never really underestimated anyone, understand? We said we are coming with the A game, and at that we perform good.
We did our research and we saw that DJ Stone wasn't really a competition, but you know, this is a sound clash, we don't really underestimate anyone. So just come out and pray that you executed, and we did just that.
The sounds doing a great job. I think they did exceptionally well. But we all should remember that these are some young sounds that looking a name for themselves, you know what I mean?
We have the 2 final winners for the final clash for tonight, and it was up, you know. So give us all that greatness, release, you know.
Check come on, so this is Agent Sasco, and this is the release. No, you can't hear what I'm going, right? Mad something. Sounds of greatness, Guinness. Yeah, loud.
Come July 7th, we will see you all at the finals downtown at the UDC car park.